good morning to all students. In this video, we will understand the science behind certain activities. During physical activities, we breathe faster and deeper. Have you ever thought that while performing physical activities, you started breathing faster and deeper? Let's understand why this happened with us. Because during physical exercise, body consumes large amount of energy which is produced by breakdown of food. To fulfill the energy requirement of the body, we breathe faster and deeper. Now, what happened during the physical activities? Our body consumes large amount of energy, and energy is basically produced by breakdown of the food. Now, for breakdown of food, the body requires oxygen. To fulfill the energy requirement of the body, we breathe faster and deeper. In order to get sufficient amount of energy, our body start breathing faster and deeper in order to intake much oxygen into the body so that it can be utilized for breakdown of food, as when the food is breakdown, energy is released. I hope you get the concept behind this. Now, the second thing is that why do we sneeze? Have you ever thought or have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Let's understand it. When some unwanted or foreign particles enter in our nose, they cause irritation, due to which we sneeze in order to expel the foreign particles from the nose. Now, the air which is present around us contain unwanted particles like smoke, dust, pollen. When we inhale, the particle get trapped in the air present in our nasal cavity. In our nasal cavity, there are very fine hair are present which allow only air to enter, but they do not allow any unwanted particles to enter. They trap those particles and removed from our nose. However, sometimes these particles may get past the hair in the nasal cavity, and because of that, these particles causes irritation in the lining of cavity, as a result of which we sneeze, and sneezing expel these foreign particles from the inhaled air, and a dust free clean air enters in our body. I hope you understand that why do we sneeze. Why do we yawn when we are sleepy or drowsy? Now let's understand why do we yawn. When we are tired, feel sleepy or bored, we breathe slowly and do not take much oxygen to make energy. Yawning helps to draw more oxygen into the lungs and supply it to much needed parts of the body, including brain. Basically, when we are tired or when we are feeling sleepy or when we are bored, we breathe slowly. And because of that, our body do not take much oxygen, and because of that, our body will not able to produce more energy. Yawning helps to draw more oxygen into the lungs. Yawning help us to take more oxygen into the lungs and supply it to much needed part of the body, including brain. So basically, yawning help us to draw more oxygen in order to supply it to much needed part of the body, including the brain. Now let's understand, after physical exercise we feel hungry. Why this happen with us? After physical exercise, we feel hungry because when we perform physical activities, our body needs large amount of energy. As I told you earlier, that during physical activities, our body needs large amount of energy. And the energy is obtained from the breakdown of the food that is present in our body. As we know that the energy is obtained by breaking down of the food. So the food which is present in our body is break down, and from that food we get the energy. Since all the food get consumed in order to generate energy, due to this we start feel hungry after physical exercise. as all the food is consumed while performing the physical exercise in order to generate energy, and due to which we start feeling hungry after the physical activity. Basically, all the food is consumed during the physical exercise, and because of that we feel hungry after the physical exercise. So this is all about. Thank you, students.